this video, I will show you how to repair a ceiling light fixture. We have the frame and LEDs of such a ceiling light fixture. Armstrong, a suspended ceiling. And it stopped working. The LEDs on it have burned out. You can see 4 pieces here, 4 here. If you look closely at the diodes, you can see that small black dots appear in the center of them. This means that this LED is burned out. In addition, the driver, which is located here, has failed. And therefore this light fixture is completely inoperative. To repair this ceiling light fixture, I purchased a repair kit. This includes a driver from the Optima brand and 4 such LED strips. They are made of rigid textolite. They are of higher quality than those that were on the fixture, because these are based on some kind of tape. If we replace the burned out diodes, this repair will last for about a month, because all the LEDs gradually lose their capacity, their lifespan, and eventually one of them will burn out in about a month. To secure the strips on this fixture, you need to utilize some additional clips to attach it, because the originals were glued with self-adhesive. But I will try to secure them with screws and ensure they are firmly in place. First, we lay out all the LED strips on the fixture so that everything is in its place. We untangle the wires to avoid knots. The driver disconnects easily. To attach the LED strips, I will use these small screws. These small screws need to be screwed in gently, so as not to remove the outer insulation from these strips. And after that, we attach the driver to its place. Also using screws. And we connect the connector from the LEDs to its place. Now we can check how the lamp works. We connect these 2 leads to the contact group. And for testing, we connect it to the power supply. We connect the power supply. As you can see, all the diodes are working properly. They hardly heat up, and you can install this lamp back on the ceiling. We do not tighten the screws all the way so that their heads do not damage the insulation on these strips and to prevent a short circuit to the ground.